All right. So now we have something for roll to actually attach to. Okay. And then if a equals 6, I guess we'll do reset equals 1. There we go. Okay, maybe RST. Keep away from the orange letters. So it resets everything, right? I guess we don't even have to do all that. We can do it all right here. We don't have to exit this. So what are we doing here? So see, so we should be clearing the whole screen, right? So everything should be cleared. So I'm going to write that down here. So void clear screen. Okay. For int a equals 0, a is less than LED count, a plus plus. Okay. So strip dot set, whoops, set pixel color, and we want a comma everything off. Okay. Cool. So and set of reset equals 1. Let's first clear screen. Think I capitalized that. Boy, I better make sure I type that right, considering I just typed it. All right, copy that. So you paste that, and it doesn't need any variables. Okay, so clear the screen. Strip dot show. So now everything's blank. Okay. Uh, yeah. What else do we need? We need to reset the counter. Let's so roll count. That's what it's called. So roll count equals 0. Okay. And doesn't matter about the values or any of that. Okay. So that's right. Roll count equals 0. Cool. Okay. So there we go. And latch. Let's see. So for all these buttons, if you press 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, that's less than 5, it's going to swap the hold, right? And it's going to change the colors. Oh, you know what it's not doing? It's not showing. If you hold it, it's got to show. Strip dot show. There we go. Okay. Let's see. If you press 5, it's going to start rolling. And we have to have something that watches it. And then if a equals 6, then it resets everything. So it clears the screen. It shows a blank thing just like it looks now. And then it sets roll count back to 0. So resetting everything. Okay. So now we need to also include the timer, latch timer. So if it reads all this, let's see, and latch, so it's not latched, and we have to put the timer in there. And whoops. And then latch timer. Okay, so if timer, there it is. If timer is greater than latch timer A, right? Because we have 7 timers because we have 7 buttons. And so each of them has its own debounce. Okay, there we go. And now I have to reset them all. Okay, so if it comes back high, if digital read pinputs A, okay, and okay, so if it okay, so if it's high, what else? And latch A is held, so it's currently latched. And we also have to yeah, anything we press here also has to increase our latch timer, right? So any of this stuff. So here we go. Okay, there it is. Perfect. Okay, we put that in there. We're good. Okay, so it adds a 20 millisecond latch timer A. There we go. equals timer plus 20. Perfect. Okay. Okay. And latch A. So the latch should be on right now for that one. And timer is greater than latch timer A. Okay, so now if we let go of the button and it's been latched before, okay, and the timer is finally greater than the debounce. Let's see. Okay, so all that if is inside the parentheses. Start a curly, hit enter. First of all, latch A equals 0. Latch, there we go, A equals 0. So turn off the latch. Latch timer equals timer plus 20. Okay. Make sure I'm spelling timer right. Yep, timer's good there. All right, so it debounces it. And that's about it, except for we need to check A. So if A equals 5, roll equals 0. Okay. Whoops. Start a curly, hit enter. There we go. Roll equals 0. We should also do, let's see, roll count. Yep, there it is. Roll capital out plus plus. Okay. And then we should display those. So we got this little LED strip back here, right? Back here? It's somewhere. There it is. I feel it. Back here. That tells us how many times we've rolled. Okay. And where is that on the strip? So if we've got 39, do we have 39 LEDs? Let's see. We got 10 plus 10 plus 19 plus 3. Okay. So 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 19 is 39 plus 3 is 42. We actually have 42 LEDs. Okay. Now, for int, let's see, we already have A taken up, so we're on B now. B equals 0. B is less than roll count B plus plus. Okay. So we're going to just set the pixel. I'm going to set it just green for now. Actually, you know what we'll do? We'll set it green. Okay. So we'll set it green here, right? When it's counting 1, 2, 3. On your third roll, it's still green. You do any more, it turns them all red. And maybe I'll turn these ones in between red too. Well, I'll just turn these red. Okay. So let's set that out. So if, see, roll count is less than, see, so it's be 1, start at 1, go to 2, we're good, go to 3, we're good. So less than or equal to 3. Whoops. Yeah, that's right. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Okay. So strip dot set pixel color, and we're setting A. I guess what are we at? So we're at 42. So 40. So 40 plus 0 is 40. 40 plus 1 is 1. 42 plus 2. Okay. So it's 40 plus B, not A. Whoa. 40 plus B, comma, see, so we're making it green. So 0 red. Oh, lots of green. 255 on green, 0 blue. And the parentheses, semicolon. Okay. Whoops. Okay, so then we're going to do an else. And for some reason, I like to put spaces here. Don't know what's up with that. Let's see, I'll grab actually from here to here. There we go. And so now we're setting it red. So we're setting it all red, 0 comma. Okay. So we let go of the roll, right? The roll the things, and let's see. Originally, so it starts at 0 because we've been reset somewhere. Yeah, so it's reset. It also just starts at 0. and now it equals 1. Okay, we let go. So while we're holding it down, it's rolling. When we let go, it's equaling 1. Roll count's equaling 1. And then for every count, it's going to light up an LED. So for 1, it's going to light it up. 2, it's going to light 2 of these up. 3, it's going to light 3 of them up. But anything above 3, it's going to turn red. Okay, oh. Let's see, so roll count. So we actually need to keep our roll count. Yeah, how do we do that? So we can't go above 3. Well, we can, but there's no NeoPixels after that. And if we did have it in a different order, it would mess it up. So we need, see, whichever one's smaller. So minimum, whoops. So min, let's see, 4, comma, okay, I'm missing this. Okay, cut that. So B is less than 4 or roll count, whichever one's smaller. So if roll count's at 1, so it's just going to repeat it once. If roll count's at 2, it's going to repeat it 2. 3, repeat it 3. 4, I guess it should be a 3, even though it is 4, because roll count is still greater than 3. Okay, there we go. That way it still only does a maximum of 3 here, right? So whichever one's smaller. So this, well, it never hits 0, right? Because the first thing it does is plus. So this goes 1, 2, 3, and then they're equal, then 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. So that's what happens when you let go of roll. So, okay, here we go. Reading the buttons, all 7 of them at once. So, well, one at a time, I guess. But first 5, it just checks if it just swaps the hold, right? And turns on, like it turns them white. Okay. Now, and then if we let go of 5, it stops the roll. So if we hold 5, turns on roll. So while we're holding it, it says that as soon as you let it go, it turns off the roll. Okay. And if A equals 6, that's right, it resets everything. Okay. Okay, so let's figure out where we are. So that's our for loop here. Wow, all the way down here. Cool. Okay. So if roll. So if we're rolling that dice, let's see. So we have to have like some sort of roll timer. We have a roll timer. We have a roll timer. Cool. Okay. So if timer is greater than roll timer, first thing we're going to do is increment the roll timer. So roll timer equals timer plus, I don't know, we'll do 50. Okay. So, oh, that's not capital. There we go. So, why not just roll timer plus equals 50? Well, because the timer is still going up and up and up while we're not rolling, right? And so we could be like 8,000 milliseconds away. And so if we hit this button, it's gonna flash like aggressively at us. Let's see, what's 8,000 divided by 50? So what would that be? 200 times? Gonna flash really aggressively at us 200 times, and then start running the timing. But if we base it just off the timer, now it's not we don't get exactly 50 millisecond increments. We don't care, but like it's always reset to when it hits this. So as soon as you hit this button, it goes off the timer rather than the last time you rolled its timer. Okay. So roll timer plus 50. Let's see. So we're going to 4 int a equals, there we go, a equals 0. A is less than 5. So we got to roll the dice, right? Unless they're held. Let's see. Whoops. We got to do a plus plus. Okay. So if, Let's look at our variable. I think it's just called hold. Yeah. So if not hold A. Oh, that's another thing we have to do under reset. Okay. Gonna get a little distracted here. So for int. Actually, I wonder if it'd be easier to write hold. No. Let's just do the for. For int a equals, no, not a. We already used up a. B equals 0. B is less than 5. B plus plus. Okay? So hold B equals 0. Okay. So resets all the holds also. So that way when you roll it, it just rolls. So if not hold, right? So if you're not holding it, then let's see. So where's our val? Yeah, roll val. Okay? Roll val equals random 6. Okay? And then we're going to set dice. Let's see, make sure we're typing that right. Set dice, yep. Set dice, we need 3 things. So dice is A because we're going 0 through 4 here. We're using the A counter for that. See, what do we need next? The roll is the value. So that'd be roll val A. And then we need a colors. So that's random 65535 plus 1, right? That way we never actually let it set to 0. Like it has only 1 in 6,535 chance of doing that, but still we don't want it to do that. Semicolon. Okay. Boy, I don't know what else we need. Let's give that a try here. I'm gonna hit upload, and we'll see what mistakes I made. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we got a mistake. Cool. Oh, that's a good one. I don't do that very often. Huh. Got my parentheses backwards there. Now we still have these LEDs in the middle here. We got to figure out something to do with. Oh, clear screen was not declared. Clear screen. Okay, and this is called clear screen. Okay, so we're missing a bracket then. Okay, that bracket's good. So is our setup bracket not good? Yeah, setup bracket's good. This bracket is good. Set dice, is that good? Oh, nope, we're missing something in set dice. Okay, there you go. Thinks that's the end. So, yeah, I thought we had this. So maybe when we added the turn white, we added something else. Okay, so this sets up the position. That's right. So 7 positions here. If, huh. See, else. Oh, did I miss? Yeah, why is that here? That's a really weird thing to happen here. Okay. Get rid of that. Because if not colors, else, yeah, just that. Huh. Okay. So, it looks like I didn't end it here. There we go. Let's see if that works. So if I hold over this, there we go. Okay, so for all 7 of these, let's see, find the position. Okay. And then, let's see, yeah. Set those pixels. Oh, that's right. Okay, so, yeah, the dice, the rolls, where each of the little dots are. There we go. Okay, yeah. So set them white if it's 0, or else set them to a color. Okay. Let's upload that. Now it should be able to see clear screen. Oh, clear screen was still not declared. Clear screen. Just gonna watch the video here for a second. Cool. It's fun to watch it moving. Okay. Clear screen. So we hit that. Definitely stops, like starts there. Hit this. Starts there. Okay. Oh, look at that. I'm missing something on my clear screen. There we go. I'm sure you guys are seeing these mistakes and like just yelling at me through the screen. Yeah, sometimes I miss it. Okay, what else we got here? Something's lit up. Okay. Latch timer A equals timer plus 20. Got anything else? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, man, I do that. For some reason on the timers, I end it with parentheses. That's a weird habit of mine. I'm not sure why I started it or like what triggered this habit, but I'm aware I do it. Roll val. Okay. Boy, we got a lot of issues here. Hopefully, you guys are learning from my mistakes and didn't copy me like perfectly, maybe. Okay. Roll val. Oh, same thing. A. See, so if roll, that's right. Okay. And then set dice. So I knew to use A here, but I didn't know that. How silly of me. Okay. That's right. I see that. Bring it on. I can fix mistakes all day. Oh, it's uploading. Let's see what happens. All right. Oh, it's not clearing it. Oh, okay. I see. So, there we go. Okay. That's what the other else was. The else was for that. Okay. I just totally like ruined this, but that's all right. That's easy enough to do. So, this sets the colors here, right? Or it turns them off. So, else strip dot set pixel colors. Oh, hold shift, not the slash. Pixel color. And we want to do, let's see, POZ, comma 0, comma 0, comma 0. Maybe we don't need to ruin our program here. We're still having issues uploading to this thing. I was going to swap it and replace it, but it just started working. But I don't know. We'll get it to work. That's funny. Okay, there we go. Turns it off. All right. So I hold this and it should shuffle. And of course, it's doing nothing. Okay. So let's go to our roll here. Oh, I know why it's not showing anything. Let's tell it to actually show. So if roll. Okay, so after it's done updating all 5, if it can, right? If it can update all 5, then we'll do a strip dot show. Okay. Now let's upload this. See what happens. I'm sure if I hit this like during the middle, so I hit this. Oh, uploading. Cool. Okay. Still crashed on us. That's all right. I'm tired of waiting for all these numbers to show. So I'm going to up this like, I don't know, 40. Okay, but if I hit this, there we go. So now we're rolling the dice here, right? Let go. And I'm going to hold. Oh, we're at the wrong ones. That's funny. Oh, that's not even doing anything. Oh, I see. It's just reset it. Okay. Roll it. Okay. Yep, these are backwards. That's easy to fix. So we go to our pinputs here, and we're okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. There we go. That should do it. Oh, and yeah, look at that. We got a little bit of color here. We'll have to make sure that that actually works, though. There we go. Cool. Hit this. Okay. Still doesn't show up. That's all right. Now it shows up, though. So this holds it, lets it go. Okay. Not the most obvious thing. I'm actually going to make it like bright, bright white. So right now it's, 85s. So the whole thing equals 255. Now it's going to be 255. So it's going to be much brighter here. Okay. And then when the counter goes, yeah, where's our counter here? So if you let go of it, it runs a counter plus plus, right? So you let go. Oh yeah, I don't even have a dot show over here. How embarrassing. All right. Because as I hit this button, it showed up over here. Let's see if we can get this thing steadied out. All right. There we go. Hold this. It rolls the dice. I want to hold that. Oh, that's much better. Cool. That's like white. So, okay, what do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So I want to hold the 4, 3, 1, and 2. And then continue shuffling. Oh, we got one more shuffle, as I can see from this. Which it looks like it's not getting power. It's really dim. Oh, it's got another 2. Darn. Oh, and now our compiler thing uploaded again. Or reset it because it couldn't read it. Okay. Do this. Keep the 4s. Maybe I should have it change. I'll do that next video. I'll do a finishing touches for this. But let's see. So then we have. Oh, now these are on. Goodness. Right. Oh, yeah. What's up with that? Hit that. Got 1, 2, and the last one doesn't even show up. Huh. Okay. Let's reset this, and they're not very green. Yeah, which really makes me think it's not getting power. Yeah, there's the last one. So we got 1, 2. Oh, no, it's okay. So yeah, I got it over 1 too far. So it shouldn't be plus 40. It should be plus 39. There we go. There we go. Okay. And yeah, I'm setting it to green, right? Yeah. So 39. So red, green, blue. So even if I set it to anything else, it still shouldn't work quite right. Yep, there it goes. Still failing at the reading. Hit that. There we go. Now I've got all them, but hit it again and now they're red. So yeah, it's not getting power on there. I'm not going to worry about that right now. But then I hit reset, clears everything, able to shuffle again. Cool. Reset. Okay. Got my first roll. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that's convenient. Cool. All right. Okay. So I just keep that. Oh, we got 3 6s. Okay. Oh, finally gave up uploading to the board. Yeah, for some reason when it reads it, it's not reading it correctly. So this chip must be goofed up a little. I've had that happen before. Okay. So now let's see if our Yahtzee works. So I come up to it. It's my turn, right? Hit the button. Going through colors. Ooh, that's already a full house. So we have 4, 4, 4, 1, 1. So like I would keep the full house, or if I'm brave and I want to go for that sweet Yahtzee. Nope. Nope. Darn. So I lost everything. Well, 3 4s isn't bad. Reset. Shuffle. Not shuffle, but roll. Let's see, there's 2 2 6 6. Let's roll that. Roll that. Okay, there's a full house. Cool. All right. Let them all roll again. And now we're red. All right. So we have a working Yahtzee now. Okay. Next video, we're going to add some sweet finishing touches. Thanks for watching.